So today I'm going to be going through my lipsticks and decluttering, but also trying to see exactly what I have. So I thought I would start with just my MAC lipsticks. I've already done a deep declutter of these. In fact, hold on one second. So I've already done a declutter, and this is kind of what I have left. And I figured I want to get what I decide to keep to fit at least in this lipstick holder. I keep my makeup over here in this black armoire, which you can see is kind of open. But I'm trying to take it little by little, because I think if I pulled out all my lip products, I would be overwhelmed and do nothing. So I'm gonna start with just my MAC lipsticks right now. MAC isn't really my favorite lip product. Obviously, I don't dislike it for having this many, but I think I just fell into the hype of how good MAC was, and so that's where all this comes from. But not to say that I don't have my favorites. I definitely do. So let's just get started. Okay. So I know some of these, I know without a doubt I'm keeping. Like these two for sure. This is Please Me. And this one is Please Me and Pink Pat Plaid. These are just very pink tone colors. They're probably my favorite. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do kind of my darker ones here, red ones here, pink and nude maybe. I mean, I don't know if I'm even going to keep that many, but because I hate how on MAC you have to look to see what colors they are. That's one of my problems. So I have this Lingering Kiss. It is a very, very burgundy type color, but it's so pretty. It has definitely a purple undertone. I am going to keep this because I don't have a lot of this color in my collection, and so that's one that I might wear. These I'm gonna wait on. Okay, let's see what next. What next? I'm trying to find ones that I know I for sure want to keep. Okay, so I know I want to keep Ruby Woo. This is their iconic red. You know, but I'm gonna swatch it so if another red comes, I can compare them. So it's just a nice blue red. Okay. Let's see, what are these? Sorry, I am sick. I pick up everything from my kids. So I have Viva Glam 2 and Viva Glam, let's see, 1, 2, 3, I think this is 6. Is this 6? Viva Glam 6. Viva Glam 2, and I think it's Viva Glam 6. I always get messed up on the Roman numerals. So let's see. I know these aren't really my favorite lipsticks. So this one is 6. Oh, it's so creamy. I know I like this one for sure, Viva Glam 2. I know for sure that one. I think I might keep this one. It's just kind of a nice nude color. I know this lighting isn't the best. I'm just at my desk right now, but it's a nice nude. It's not too light. It's not too brown. So I think I'm going to hold on to that one still. So far I haven't done very well, have I? I know that some of these I will be getting rid of. Okay, so where are a couple of my really favorite ones that I know? Okay, I know I'm not getting rid of Plumful. That one is more of a purple, so maybe purple's there. I've already looked at those. I know I'm keeping that one, but I'll talk about that one in a minute. Okay. I think I just fall into wanting to keep everything. I know I'm keeping Velvet Teddy. This is one that I've used on my channel a lot. It's definitely a nude. I wonder if it's really close to these though. It is kind of close to Viva Glam 6, but Viva Glam 6 is more of a, well, this one they say is matte, and Viva Glam 6 is a luster, so that would make sense, but they are very, very similar. But I know I love Velvet Teddy, and I might declutter this one eventually, but as of right now, I'm going to keep it. And I'm also going to keep Taupe. This one, how does it look against these? This one had a little bit more brown in it than these other ones. I mean, let's be real, these are mostly the same color. Right here. Okay, I know I'm keeping this one. This is the Pro Longwear Lip Cream in Unlimited. It's a very easy pink to wear, so this one I like. Plus, I was gonna say I've almost used all of it, but I guess not really. I mean, I've used quite a bit, kinda. It's hard going through lipsticks. All right, so this is one I'm stuck on, Candy Yum Yum, because I'm never gonna wear it, but it's like iconic that I just, and even Vegas Vault, I don't know. Shy Girl, let's see. See, and that might be too nude. This one's probably a no. What were these? But this one is also very brown. See, it's like brown. I don't know what else to describe that. It's very brown. Yeah, this one's a no. I don't think I like those. Syrup, I love. Love this one. This one's kind of a nice pink everyday color, so that's a yes. Hearts Aflame. This one is in the same collection as this, what was this one called? Lustrine Kiss. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's like a deep burnt red. This one's a maybe. I know I have another color similar to that, so I kind of want to check it out. Now this one I know I'm keeping. This is kind of sexy. Again, it has more peach in it, which is usually not my thing, but I can get away wearing this one. So I'm gonna keep that. Naked Bud. God, all these looks like the exact same color. I mean, I just don't want to waste it, and I've used a lot of that one. Holy moly. I didn't realize I used so much. I mean, not a ton, but I guess a little bit. This one's Yash. I can't see it. Okay, let's see. Oh, I like this one. I think I'm going to keep Yash. And I think I'm going to keep Naked Bud. Okay, I'm not doing very, very well. I mean, all these do kind of look alike, huh? Okay, let's just keep going. I have Chili. This one I think is close to this. No, this one's like, okay, so that one's a blue red. That was Ruby Woo. This one is like a brick red, which I also don't think I have too many of, so I'm gonna hold on to that one. This one is Crosswires, which I think I like this, but it's kind of coral, so this might, I'm gonna put it in the no for right now. It's not really a color that I wear ever, so Dreaming Dahlia, and this is not a color that I wear. It's just too yeah, I'm gonna say no on that one. Okay, then I have Diva. Maybe this is the one that is close to this red. Okay, so this is Diva, and this darker one is Hearts Aflame. So it looks like the Hearts Aflame has a little more brown in it, where Diva has a little more red. but they are very close. This one's a matte, and this one's a matte. For someone who doesn't wear red, I sure do have a lot of red. I'm gonna hold on to both. I can't decide. Last is Photo, and this one's a brown color too. Like, ugh. I just do not wear that color, so that is a no. Don't know why I would have bought that. Oh, Good Kisser, another one. This one is like magenta, which is very pretty, and if I were to wear a pink, I would want it to be something like this, but so yeah, I'm gonna keep that. What's this one? That's Plum. So I guess I don't have very many dark colors. These are the last two. I have Vegas Volt and Candy Yum Yum. This one I just want to keep because, I mean, I don't know if I'll use it. It looks like I've used it, but I don't really think I have. And this is a matte. I'm going to hold on to it. But this one is Vegas Volt. Yeah, it's really orange. And I already have that one that's kind of orangey. I think I might get rid of this one. I don't think I ever actually wore this. Okay, so there's my matte lipsticks. I didn't fill this up, which I guess is always good. I ended up keeping 19 and decluttering 6. So that's not half, but not that I was even going for a half mark, but I didn't want to keep more than this could fill. 2, 4, 5. I guess I could have just decluttered 1, but for now I think I'm going to put this in my container for most likely will declutter it. I guess I should explain that. I have a box that I'm putting stuff into, and then if I don't miss it within a few months or want to pull it out, I'm gonna then get rid of it. I decluttered a few months ago, very rashly, just grabbed stuff, was like yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, took the box and got rid of it, and now I'm regretting a lot of the things that I gave away. I wish I would have thought a little harder about. So that's kind of why I'm doing this extra step of placing them in a box and then deciding from there. But all right, so I was getting ready to do my next lipstick declutter, as you can see right here, and I found 5 more MAC lipsticks. So all right, so I've already decluttered 6, and then this is what I plan on keeping, but let me go through these and see if I want to keep or get rid of any of these ones. This one is All Fired Up, so it's kind of a red. This one's Del Rio, which is a brown, which I don't typically like. This one is Lustrine, which is a nice pink color. This one is Russian Red, which I already know I'm going to keep this one. This one is like a brick red, and I know I kept one brick red, but I know I'm keeping that one for sure. So I'll move Plum upstairs. Okay, and then the last one is a Novel Romance, which is a very light baby pink, and I think I'm going to keep this. I like to use this with other pink colors, so I'm going to keep this. Oh, I have no room. This as well. So I'll just put it there. So I guess the other question is about these. I don't really want to swatch again because, as you can see, it like totally stained my hand. But I think I'm going to get rid of Del Rio because it's brown, and I know I just don't wear browns. And I kept Candy Yum Yum, and that was because I don't even know where they all, that's what I hate about MAC. I don't know where any of them are. That was a bright pink. Yeah, so these are all different. Maybe I'll keep them all for now. But hey, at least I got rid of 7 and don't have more. I still have a place for 1 more. So, not that I need to buy anymore, but this is the end of my declutter. I feel stupid. I should have made sure I got all of them when I started this, but that is the end of my MAC lipstick declutter. I'm not sure which I'll be doing next, but I'm just gonna keep on going through my lipsticks. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.